In this video, I'm going to walk through how to create Sparklines in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. Sparklines are mini charts placed in one cell. I have circled the sparklines in this worksheet. You can see at a glance which expenses have increased, decreased, or stayed the same over the quarters shown. Select the data for one sparkline. The Quick Analysis icon will appear in the lower right corner. Click on the Quick Analysis icon and select Sparklines in the box that appears after you click on the Quick Analysis tool. Click on Line, and you have your sparkline. Copy the cell containing the sparkline down to the rest of the cells for which you want a sparkline. Now you can see the sparklines for each of the rows. That's it. Sparklines are pretty cool and easy. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.